Ilami sa call center sa Cebu. Nag-join kong hiking nila and then afterwards nagka-developan. Month of November, the same year, 2018, is nagka-uyabu.
First may nagkita ni Michelle kay sa call center. Nalabat first sight ko niya. First time na ako nakita niya kay grabe man kayo ka kuan ba sexy man laglaag sa bukid. Then after that mao na to.
Ito sa kuan sa pag-hike na mo sa Siraw sa Cebu. Nako siya gisugot that time. Fast forward 2025, so running kaan na 7 years na.
After ato, kami na nagpuyog isang asa maglaag ang mga suroy, daghang mga ups and downs ng mga challenges for almost 7 years dahil nga nag-ipon mi sa kuan sa Cebu.
This goes out to my mom. Looks like we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby. We might have took the long way.
Si Caps is very kind, very thoughtful. Dili siya halata saya ang kanang parol, gawin siya manamit but very siya, passionate on what he's doing as a man.
We're still together.
Sama rin yung buhay Tiara. Yes. For the bride!
For the girl! Si Michelle gyud kuan siya kana ang warm at the same time sweet na siya. Matiudabangon ko siya sa kanang gidikanan at the same time dili ko na siya pabaya ang kanang partner naagid ng willingness pud sa iya hapon ba.
Family-oriented si Caps. Gina-value niya iyang family. Every time nga naami mga misunderstanding, siya dyan ang musabot. Dili siya ang katong laki nga mo hawa lang if naiaway. But he really tried to fix everything before matulog or before talaga magkaugma.
Alang usab kanimo kapistrano, higugma ang imong asawa maingon nga si Kristo nahigugma sa iyang simbahan ug pagpakigtipon kaniya diya sa santos nga kahadlok sa Ginoo.
So ang naganahan ako ni kanang Michelle ang partner kay masinabtanon gyud siya magpaubos ba kung siya taas o kanaang sapot or vice versa, nay usa na mo magpaubos. So kuna nga ganahan ako sa iya hapon nga side which dali ra pud ka recover by in case kung maglalis mo.
Not a day goes by I don't sit and wonder if I had never parked the car to get a coffee.
Shell, babe, from the moment we meet in the bustling heart of Cebu City, her faith put us just a few seats apart. I knew there was something about you, something strong, warm, and real.
I wouldn't trade those Saturday mornings, kids running wild, glows up to the ceiling. I catch your eyes in the smile.
My babe. Who would have thought that two voices across call center headsets in Cebu City would turn into two hearts walking side by side through life? From the start, You've been more than just a partner. You've been my strength when times were tough, my calm when life got loud, and my reason to keep going when the road felt steep.
I wouldn't trade those Saturday morning kids running wild, close up to the ceiling. I catch your eyes and the smile that changed my life.
I vow to keep choosing you through every early morning hike and every sleepless night of figuring out deals. I will stand by you not only in laughter and light, but through every struggle we face. And I promise, wherever we go next, I'll always walk beside you. Thank you, my love.
He said, son, one thing to know, keep her close.
I promise to keep exploring life with you, whether it's under the stars, in the mountains, or in the quiet corners of our home. And I'll walk beside you when the trail gets steep. Today, I marry my hiking partner, my co-adventure, my best friend, and I promise, wherever we go, I will always be your home.
Legs on the couch, your head